What do you have a passion for?
Spreading the gospel and changing hearts around the world.
Educating believers on the Holy Spirit and revival.
Distributing food and supplies to those in need.
Being a refuge to orphans, reaching out to earthquake and tornado victims.
Supporting medical mission endeavors.
If you feel passionate about any one of these things, you are a kingdom-focused leader, and we have a special event designed just for you. The First Baptist Foundation invites you to an evening for FBC Kingdom leaders to hear from our special guest, Dave Kiesling, on how kingdom leaders can become kingdom stewards by planning for the future. Join us on Thursday, May the 10th at 6:30 p.m. for fellowship, food, and desserts in the Fellowship Hall, and learn how your resources can be used to their fullest potential for family, your passions, and God's glory.